Hey guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. So in today's following video, I'm going to walk you through how to log in or sign in your PayPal digital app on your device. So as we all know that PayPal is a digital wallet app that lets you send, receive and manage money from your smartphone, and also you can pay online or in store, split bill or send money internationally too. So now to get these features, you need to sign in your app on your device. So for that you need to follow a few steps to do so. Let's get started. So first thing, you need to make sure that PayPal is downloaded on your device, and then you open the app PayPal. So now on the welcome screen, tap the option login. So this is the very first home page of this app. So there you can see the option like login or sign up. If you have already made your account, you can simply tap on the option sign up, or if you are new to this app, you need to tap on the option login, which is at the very bottom right of this page. After tapping login, then there you can see the option like email. So now here you need to just enter your email address or mobile number, whichever makes it easier. So after tapping on the after completing entering your email, you need to tap on the option next, which is highlighted in color black. You need to simply tap on this next, and then you need to enter your password or very strong so that no one can just hack your password easily. So after entering your email and after completing entering your password, you need to tap on the option like login, which is also at the very bottom of this page, and that's how you can just log into the account. And if you have enabled biometric login like fingerprint or face ID, you may be asked to approve login with that method too. So once the details are correct, you should be signed into your account, and you will be able to see your dashboard of your PayPal digital wallet app on your device. So that's how you can just easily log in and explore its features. It have its amazing features over there. So that's how you can just use the app PayPal on your device. So that's it for today. Hope you find this video easy, and thank you so much, and see you in the next video.